Okay, good morning. Once again, let me introduce you to our inverter, very powerful inverter electric cooker that are regulatable. Let's show you how you work. So this is our inverter electric cooker. As you can see, it's well gold coated, well finished, and we have this is a single burner. We also have a double burner in case you want more. So let me show you how this thing works now. As you can see now, it's powered on and it's on 200 watts. If you reach, this is the inverter and it's powered by Suntree. Don't forget, Suntree brand is recommended for this kind of setup. And you can see the load is here, 300 watts, because of other appliances that are on in this apartment. So you can see it, 300 watts, 350 watts by Suntree products, and with our 5 kilowatt also Suntree brand lithium battery. So now let's come back to this particular machine. Now this thing can actually be used for any size of inverter, but we recommend from 2 kVA upward again, because these are 200 watts, which means it will burn slower. The heat temperature will be slower. So let's increase it here. You can increase it to 700 watts depending on the capacity of your inverter. So now that we have 1000 watts here capacity, the heat temperature here will increase. You understand? So now when I put it at 1000 watts, let's go and see what is written on the inverter now. You can see your inverter is reading 780 watts, as you can see here now. So which means as we are increasing the capacity, as we are increasing the temperature here, the wattage is also increasing on your inverter. But this inverter is actually 6.2 kVA, so which means you can accommodate more. So you should always monitor this in your own inverter. So here now, let's take it to 2000 watts. Or even 2500 watts. So at 500 watts, you will notice the performance have also increased. Over here, you can notice that the temperature have changed and have risen up. From here now, you can boil food faster and do other things. So you regulate it according to your inverter capacity. If you come back here now, you are now seeing that we're having 1.2 kilowatt. That is 1200 watts. 1200 watts. So who is using 2.5 kVA, you can actually cook with 2500 watts of that particular machine. You can see the load here at 1.2 kilowatts. You get 1.2 kilowatts obviously means 1200, and this is about 1260 watts or 1270 watts that you'll be getting from the Suntree inverter. As you can see now, this is the changeover. This is the inverter. There's no electricity. You can also see the AVR is off, so there's no electricity. This is directly powered from the lithium battery directly, as you can see, by Suntree 6.2 kilowatts machine. Even the 4.2 can as well work. So now you can see this water now has started boiling better than before. You understand? So this is how they work. You can see the heat temperature is already on a high top. So but this machine is also capable, let's put to 3000 watts. You can see 3000 watts. If you come back here again, you notice that the heat temperature here has also increased. And you can notice that the Suntree has also increased its own temperature regulating cooling fan. The cooling system has turned on to regulate it. Now you are seeing we are consuming 1400 watts. So even at 3000 watts from that machine, it does not even consume up to 3000 watts. This thing will approximately consume approximately maximum of 1500 watts. So that is what we recommend. Whoever that wants to use it on your inverter and you want to get good performance, use it from 3.5 kVA inverter, or if you are using 2.5 kVA inverter, you will not regulate it above 2000 watts. This one is 3000 watts, which is already above 2500 watts inverter. Out of this machine, this cooker does not consume so much, as you can see. So if you want us to take it further, we can take it further to the maximum, which is 3500 watts. At 3500 watts, look here, you can see the heat temperature have now triggered to the heights. So we're taking time to show you how these things are done. And if you come back here, you will now be seeing 1970 kilowatts or 1970 watts. This is 1.97 kilowatts, as you can see. So to let you know, up to the 3.5 kVA inverter can actually be enough if you have enough lithium battery or tubular battery up to 4, and you are having Suntrick inverter, Suntrick 4.2 or 6.2 or 8.2 or 10.2 inverter setup by Magic Global Tech Nigeria Limited. You can boil your food, you can cook your soup from morning till night without no headache. So please call again. It is my interest to bring technology to the whole world, to my customers at Magic Global Tech Nigeria Limited. See, this is Suntrick. Upon carrying this particular device, is also carrying every part of this particular apartment. You can see everything is on this apartment. You can see all the television, all the internal lights, fans, they are all powered on, and you can see everything, including the thing. So it's only Suntrick that can do this thing for you.